Tired of guessing if your ad campaigns are actually making you money? Let's transform the confusing data into a clear, actionable ROAS report in Looker Studio in just 90 seconds. First, connect your data sources like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or any other platform to Looker Studio by clicking the plus icon labeled Create, then selecting Data Source. Find your platform from the list and follow the authentication steps. Next, it's time to visualize your data. Hit the Add a Chart button, choose a chart type that best displays ROAS trends, like a time series or a scorecard. Let's select a scorecard for now. Now, drag and drop your key metrics into the chart, like cost, revenue, and impressions. If ROAS is not a default metric, don't worry, we'll calculate it. Click Add Metric, then create field tiers, where the magic happens. Enter the formula for ROAS revenue/cost, name the field ROAS and save. To make your report interactive, add filters. Use Control drop-down menu to add filters for campaign names, date ranges, or any dimension that helps you segment your data and understand performance at a granular level. Finally, customize the look and feel under the Style tab. Change colors, fonts, and branding to match your company's identity and make your report easy to understand at a glance. And there you have it, a dynamic, insightful ROAS report that will help you optimize your ad spend and drive profitability. Now you can confidently make data-driven decisions and maximize your return on investment.